Good morning, Jai Hind children. Today again we are going to start the lesson bird. In our previous class we have learned many things about the bird. Today I am going to show a specimen of like bird. Yes, this is for you. This is bird. Goraya, the common bird. This is, huh? You can see, I think in a cage it is. Yes, this is the beak. Beak is the mouth of the bird. And you can say these are flight feathers. On the tail you can see flight feathers. Are you able to see? Yes. And at the upper portion there are body feathers, and the lower there is down feathers. And there are eyes. You can see eyes. Below the eyes there are ear holes which we cannot see because the feathers are there. Below the feather they are, huh? And these are the wings. On wings and on tail you can see long flat feather. That is the flight feather which help the bird to fly. And these wings there are also flight feathers are present, and in the down of the body there are down feathers. Okay children, I hope you all can see. Today we are going to read the topic nest. What is nest? As we human being made our house to live for our family, for our children, just like that bird also make their home, and it is called nest. For making house we need bricks, cement. Just like that birds also know different types of dry grass, small twigs and thread present in the outside in the atmosphere. They take from there. Children, I am showing sharing my PDF where you can see this. Yes, this is the bird. You can see here a bird is sitting in a nest. Why do birds make nest? Birds make their nest to protect their newly hatched young ones. Birds lay eggs and chicks are inside the egg. When they hatched out, they need protection. They are very soft, and they are being eaten up by big birds and animals also. To protect these things, bird make nest. Yes children, they usually lay their eggs in their nest. Before laying their egg, they make this nest, and after that they lay their eggs in this nest, hatched and nourish their young ones. In this picture you can see a mother bird is giving food, giving grains to their young ones till the time they can fly away. She brings the food from the outside and give their young ones and tell them how to fly. Okay children, how cute these are, na? You can see. Come to the next one. Every kind of bird has unique way of building its nets. A woodpecker, here you can say, make nest inside the trunk of a tree. Some of them make between the branches, and here the weaver bird, it makes a special type of nest. Yes, you can dry grass, leaves, it use it, and it hangs from the tree. But it can't fall because it is very tightly packed. In such a way she has made, you can imagine. Yes, here you can see the different types of birds. All birds build the nest for the same reason as the man builds their home. Here are you can say weaver bird nest. And here are the simple nest. These are 4 nests. Let's see others. How birds make nest? Birds make nest by using these things. It's take the dry grass from the garden, dry leaves and straw present in the farms, and hay and the grass and the twigs of the plant. It uses these all things to make its nest. It collects, and with the help of its beak it's make a nest. Today I will show you also two nests. Yes, and children, the birds make their nest soft inside also. Inside she also keeping some cotton and the small dry grass, feathers. Because there are many feathers, na? Cotton and feathers she keep inside to make a cushioning, to give a cushioning to newborn babies. How caring she is, na? We take care for our children, just young ones, infants, just like that. But here you can see the bird take care of their young ones. They select a cozy place in the branches of the tree where the nest will not be noticed by the bigger bird or animal. In a cozy place, bird always make it a nest. You can say at your house on window pans, at the back of above the window pan, birds make the nest. That is the cozy place. She always select this. A special type of nest is called, a bird is called weaver bird. You can see how nice finely this nest is weaved. You can see, na? Just like a weaver weaves a cloth, this weaver bird, with the help of beak, thread, dry grass, it's weave its nets, it hangs from the tree. Okay. It uses the grass, these dry grass and dry leaves. And with the help of its beak, this weaver bird make it such a wonderful, nice nest. That's why it is called weaver bird, because it works like a weaver. The weaver bird also take care that the nest does not fall down easily. How nicely it has tied from the branch, na? That this nest cannot be fall. Children, just a minute, I am going to show you the nest. I am going to show you the weaver bird nest I am having. Okay, children, I am having one weaver bird nest. Yes, you can see it is with me. Here, this is weaver bird nest. This is the play. By using this, it hangs from the branches. It hangs from the branches. And this is the opening of the, you can see this is the opening of the nest opening. From here, the bird enters inside the nest and gives food to their babies and keeps it is very cozy and soft inside. The bird keeps eggs inside this and it's hang like this. This is the opening of the, you can see this is a nest of weaver bird. How nicely she has made this. Na? And you have seen this bird also, na? I have shown you earlier, na? This is the bird. This is a specimen of bird. You can see how colorful feathers are there. These feathers, colorful feathers are present at the top of the body. And they are called body or contour feather. You can see. Children, I have another nest also. I want to show you that also. Other birds, common birds, they make this nest. Yes, this is the nest. Look how they are using dry leaves and twigs. This is the common nest on window pan and on the tree branches. You can see the bird hatch its egg, keep its egg inside in this nest. You can see here is a piece of sellotape. Your hairs also, many different types of things. A thread is also present and dry leaves. Okay, you can see that these are the twigs, dry grass. They uses all these things and make the nest. This is the bird's home and it lays its egg inside it. Okay, children. Now we are going to read the another type of nest. Okay, children, let's read. Come to the another. Yes, here you can see the nest has a tunnel-like entrance. I have shown you in that na, that was dry. This is the fresh one. Look, the bird is making a tunnel-like opening of weaver bird. Now, one special bird that is called tailor bird. It uses its beak like a tailor and stitch the leaves. In this picture you can see it stitches the leaves. It takes the two corners of the leaves and fold it. As the tailor stitches the cloth, just like that, it stitches the cloth and needle like its beak acts like a needle. Its beak acts like a needle. It takes cotton and wool and straw, and with the help of thread, it's make a tailor bird nest. You can see here. That's why it is given the name tailor, because its beak work like a needle, and using the thread. You can see this is a stitching. You can see, na, stitching is present. As tailor stitches the clothes, this bird stitches the plant's leaf, and make a nest. That's why it is called tailor bird nest. It uses cotton, wool and straw and fine grasses. You can see it is really very soft inside. Inside the nest leaf, it keeps these dry grass. You can see here cotton, and makes it very soft. It uses the hair which is present in the farm, in the outside it take out from there to make the nest. Come to the another one, penguin. Children, penguins are flightless bird. They live in the cold places on the South Pole. And here how they make nest? They cannot fly. They build their nest on the ground using small, smooth stones. Using this small stones, it makes its nest on ground and make a pit. Okay? This is the special way of making nest. This is the only bird which make nest in the ground. That is penguin. It lives on ground. Okay? It cannot fly, and it uses the small stones. Now, here another bird, that is woodpecker. Woodpecker make its nest. It has a chisel-shaped beak. As a carpenter use a tool chisel, just like that, its beak is like a tool, and it can make a big hole, pointed beak. It keeps pounding the tree's trunk with its hard and pointed beak to make its nest. That's why it is called woodpecker, because its nest is like a woodpecker's tool. It keeps the nest warm with grass and lays eggs there. You can see here in the bottom also, the dry grass gives the cushioning for soft. It keeps the bottom layer soft, to protect the eggs from the fallen down or broken down. Okay, you can see in this picture. This is the nest of woodpecker, special type of beak have. And vultures, how they make nest? They put few sticks together to make their nest. You can see, these are the small sticks, and they make the framework of that sticks. After that, they fill the dry grass, twigs, threads, and make the nest. And a vulture always make their nest on the large tree at the top. That's why the different types of animals like monkeys and other big animals, they cannot destroy them. Okay? This is the nest of vulture. Come to the another one. Yes, children, do you know? Koas and cuckoo, these are very clever birds. They don't make their own nest. They lay their eggs in others' nest. They are very, very clever. They don't build their nest. They lay their eggs in the nest of other birds, like crow and other birds make nest. They go and hatch their egg, and they nourish the bird nourish their eggs. They are very clever. They don't make their own. They are the special type of bird. Okay, children? You have seen cuckoo and this koel. They never make their own nest. Yes, today we will come to know about the different types of nest. What is nest? Nest is the bird's home or house. As human being make nest, bird make nest. And to give birth to their babies, to hatch the eggs. From the eggs, the babies are hatched out. To keep them safe, the bird make nest. And how it makes nest? By using different types of material: dry grass, twigs, leaves, thread, cotton. Okay, different types of materials it collect and then made the nest by her own. And the bird nourished their young ones. She brings the different types of food grains and give their babies until they learn the flying. When they learn the flying, they go outside and take their food themselves. How caring the bird is now. And there are special type of bird. They make special type nest, like weaver bird nest you have seen, and the tailor bird nest you've seen. The bird beak act like a needle. It acts like a tailor and stitches the two leaves. Suppose leaves is like that and it folds. And from here, using the both corner of the leaves, it stitches the, like just like tailor cross stitch. It stitches the nest and keep their eggs safe in this way. Yes, children, today we come to know about the bird's nest, and I have shown you this bird. It has, you can see, boat-shaped body, which help the birds to fly because it has a boat-shaped body to cut the air, and using its wing, the birds fly in the sky. And what is the another specialty? It has very less number of bones and very hollow bones. Bones are filled with air. That's why it can fly, no? If it has a heavy bone, it can fly. No, it is not possible. Any other animal cannot fly because they don't have such type of a structure. They don't have wing. They don't have hollow bones. Okay? And they don't have feather. Only the bird is the special one who have such type of things, such type of beaks. In our previous class, we have learned about the different types of beaks. Na? Beaks, some have, this is the sparrow. It has a short and hard beak. Why? Because it eats the grains. And they don't have teeth. They crush the grains with the help of their beak also. Okay? And there are different types of beaks. Different types of birds have different types of beaks, and depends upon the eating habit, that what type of food they eat. If they have flesh eating bird, they have very sharp. If they have to crush the nut, like parakeet, it has a curved beak. Just like that, they have different types of beaks. Children, in our next class, we will read about the different types of claws. Here you can see on the leg, two legs, there are pointed claws are present. And it has three in front and one at the back. And with the help of these claws, they hold the branches of tree. And they can sleep on the branches and they will not fall down because they have a special type of these claws or feet. In detail, we will read in our next class different types of birds' claws. Okay, children? And we will do the book exercises, define word. For today, it's all. Meet you in the next class. Bye-bye, children.